Hey K-1 friends, this is our last video of our school year.
Do you know that we have done like 40 videos?
Wow.
40 days of videos?
I was going to say, we've had to have done more videos.
Yeah.
We should do that. Find it. Someone do the math. We've had 6 and then we went down to 4. Now we're down to 1.
Oh, how many videos altogether? Oh, it's a ton.
That'd be a lot. How many?
Because sometimes we had to break them in 2 because we got interrupted.
So this is our last one, which means that just means we're closer to seeing people and kids in our classroom. Graduation tomorrow. So I cannot wait to see all of you. Let's read our sentence and get going with our fun activity today. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2020. We have been learning together for 163 days. So on your math binder, you're looking for number 3 and doing all the work that's in there, following through that. 1 day left. Miss Kathy's favorite color is left on the board.
Yep, turquoise.
For graduation day. That's what that is. I'm excited. Can't wait to see you. All right, let's move to the table.
All right. Ooh, looks like we're doing some science.
All right, so these are the things you'll need.
Too far over.
Either a glass or
there we go.
A cup, something that you can fill with water. So you see I have the water in it already. And some videos I see extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna try this because this is what I had. I didn't want to use my good stuff. So I'm going to pour that in. And if you'll remember from science, if you had science, it's going to split and separate. So you're going to get to see, I'm going to put a little bit more.
Oh, it looks pretty already, actually. It's kind of cool.
There we go. So there's our water underneath. And because oil is more dense, it floats on top. Do you remember that, doing that, Miss Kathy? The other thing you'll need is salt and food
But isn't
coloring.
it the opposite? If it's more dense, it goes down? I don't know. Whatever.
Now you're making me question. Now food coloring. I'm going to do red. So you're just going to do, 20 or so drops. Oh, I thought it was supposed to go down. Oh, there we go. So you're
right. The oil is more dense.
So it's taking a while to get down there. So there's my red. You can choose any color.
Oh, look how pretty.
I know. So a lot of times we're going to do a lava lamp. Many times we've seen this with Alka-Seltzer tablets. So if you happen to have those in your house,
ask mom or dad.
Yeah, put an Alka-Seltzer tablet in because it's way cool. But I'm trying to do this so you have something that you have at your house. And I know most of you would have water, oil, food coloring, and salt. So let's try it out.
Look at some of them are staying.
I know. Either it's going to work.
And it looks cool.
Or it's not going to work. You ready to find out?
Let's find out. How much salt do you put in?
You just pour it in. Oh. And you can keep pouring it in.
Okay.
Do you think it's going to work? I don't know. We'll find out.
Oh, should we hypothesize what will happen?
Yeah, do you think? I'm going to get down lower. What do you think will happen? Right now, my water's red. We have still some dots up here that haven't gotten through the oil.
I think the salt is just going to sit on the bottom and nothing's going to happen. It'll maybe mix up the stuff while it's on the way down. Maybe. What do you think, Mrs. Anderson?
Well, I've seen what happens.
Oh, see, I've never seen it.
I watched a video. So your hypothesis is definitely better. I'm hoping it works how it's supposed to, but we'll find out.
All right, let's see.
If oil doesn't work, the vegetable oil, then definitely do extra virgin olive oil, but we'll see. All right, here we go. I'm going to pour it. It might take a while. Ooh.
Oh, whoa. Oh, look at that.
What it does. So you're making a lava lamp, so give it some time.
Look at all the bubbles coming up.
And you can just sit and
it did mix it up and sit on the bottom, but I did
I
not predict bubbles. Look at the bubbles coming out of the salt. That's cool. I love science.
I know. So there's another one.
Oh.
So there it is. Here, let me put a paper behind it. It'll make it easier for them to see. Does that help?
I mean, it doesn't really make a big difference. Okay. It actually shows up really clear on the video.
Okay, good. Awesome. So have fun doing that. Pick whatever color. You can use different shaped glasses. I saw someone, they had small ones and big ones and skinny ones. Alka-Seltzer works way better. So if you have an Alka-Seltzer tablet, do it.
And you only use like a quarter of a tablet.
Yeah.
You don't have to use the whole thing.
And I used a lot. Let's see if I were to put more in, if it would continue.
I think so, because look at that.
Look at
Ooh, that's pretty.
Cool.
Awesome.
So you can keep pouring in salt. Go get salt at the dollar store if you don't have it. Don't use the expensive stuff that I did. All right. If you don't have any of these ingredients, I did come up with another activity.
Oh, okay.
Making a bridge.
Oh.
So we did some building before. I have a couple different on my sim bins. You can use any of these materials, all of these materials, if you have whatever you have at home. Legos, you can use instead of Play-Doh, maybe you have marshmallows, and you can make a bridge.
Oh, for those who had STEM with Miss Kathy, we used to always do marshmallows and toothpicks and build with them.
And then find something that you can put on top of the bridge that will hold it. So I'm going to do a simple one.
Okay, let's see it.
Let's see if I can do it. All right, and then I'm going to do, let's try these. There's Velcro on these, so they're stuck together. So I'm going to make my bridge. I'm going to do 2 of them because he's not a skinny dog. You think he'll hold? I think so. Maybe not.
Oh, I thought he was going to fall. He made it.
It works that way. Let's try him the other way. That works. Maybe you can make your bridge taller.
That's
and
what
you
I was
can
going
do
to say.
This way. This way. Let's see. What else could I use instead of these? You can make something with Legos. I don't want to make it too long. Here's a start of something. But it's too small. Yeah. That would work. Here we go. Let's try these. Base 10 blocks. Oh my gosh. I have to put it closer, I think. Oh no, I have to do this first. Let's try oh! I'm trying to go fast.
But you can take your time at home.
Take your time. So I'm going to start. This is the base where it's going to go across. I have to kind of scoot a little closer because they're not long enough. Then I'm going to go across. Because if I would have just done it on the cups, I don't think it would have done very well. Now my stuffed animal might be, but we'll try. All right, I think let's do one more because he's kind of big. All right, who thinks it's going to work? I hope it does. All right, I'm going to put him on very carefully. Ooh. Yay! It worked! So that's what you can do. Find different things. Use like I said, anything that you can make a bridge with. Maybe you can use different materials like I did to make a couple different types.
You could use your sticks from yesterday's nature gathering.
Oh, yes. Oh, good idea. I had those. Oh, I put them outside already. So yeah, have fun and do here.
And it's our last video.
I'm going to let Tracker look one more time. Let's see if it works after a while. Sitting there. It does.
It does. That's cool.
So have fun. I miss you all. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. I've enjoyed doing these, but I've missed having you here for these. So I'm glad that I could be at your house on YouTube, teaching you some other things that I know. And I can't wait to see you all tomorrow. Bye.